Hi. Good morning. Hi. What are you doing? You stretching? How are you? You are so beautiful. Getting up? Look at that hair. Getting up? Got your bee? Can you get up? Tired baby. Hi. Yes, good morning. Let's get you ready for the day.